Good morning, all of you. So, here in this lecture, we are going to discuss with the characteristic IR absorption frequencies. And so, most of the covalent bond, most of the covalent bond, covalent bonds have characteristic, characteristic, and invariable wavelength of absorption, wavelength of absorption means there may be a slight change in the absorption of the, and each functional group is having some characteristic, but this characteristic value, it will vary slightly in the uh, range absorption bands in IR spectra, in IR spectra are slightly shifted, and this shifting is due to the different factors, that is like your conjugation in the molecule, hydrogen bonding in the molecule, hydrogen bonding, then the electron donating or electron withdrawing effect in a molecule, electron withdrawing effect in the molecule, electron effect in the molecule, in the molecule means, in short, we can say the, it depends on the, means the exact position, exact position of IR band depends on, depends on force constant, force constant, atomic masses, atomic masses, and the environment, and the environment of the bond. Means, what is the environment of that bond? Means, whenever we write any functional group, so what is the substituent that is being present? Means, if you take any one type of acid, if it is a acetic acid, means we say CH3COOH. But instead of that, if we say chloroacetic acid, means chlorine is getting substituted with the, on the methyl group, and so here you get ClCH2COOH. And so the environment of the functional group in acetic acid and in chloroacetic acid is totally different, and so it may slightly shift the absorption either towards the higher frequency or towards the lower frequency, depends on the environment of that bond. And so here we are going to see the absorption, infrared absorption of some of the functional groups that are being present. So I have written the values here, which is going to explain you the, first of all, the bonds to hydrogen atoms. Means hydrogen atom is getting attached with the different types of hetero atoms. So here we have written some frequencies in reciprocal centimeter, that is varying in the single bond region from 4000 reciprocal centimeter to 2500 reciprocal centimeter. Now what type of bonds we are going to see? Means the hydrogen bonds with the hetero atoms. So if here we will see OH, and this is free. Free OH means it's highly diluted solution, and so it may be of your alcohols or phenols. Alcohols or phenols means which will be ROH or AROH. And so when this OH is present in alcohol or when it is present in phenol, may show the absorption in the range 3600 to 3650 reciprocal centimeter when the solution is diluted. But if it is a somewhat concentrated solution, it will be bonded, means there will be a hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding in alcohols, hydrogen bonding in alcohols and phenols. So this will shift the absorption in the range that is 3200 to 3500 reciprocal centimeter. Then the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And so here you are going to get a sharp band due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, you are going to get a sharp band within the region that is 3450 to 3600, means this sharp, that is due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And if the same, here we are going to get a broad, that is due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, means within the same molecule, and intermolecular means it is in between the two different molecules. And a very broad band, very broad, is going to be obtained in the chelated hydrogen, means when it is present in a chelated bond, chelated hydrogen bond. So the chelates which we have studied in inorganic chemistry, such type of bonds may be found there. So in the range 3300 to 3350, here is going to be the band that is NH. NH is always present in amines, and it is also found in amides, that is RNH2 amines, and amides, that is RCONH2. And so these functional groups will show the absorption due to the presence of NH group and in the range 3300 to 3350 reciprocal centimeter. Then 3200 to 3300 is the triple bond carbon hydrogen, means here we are considering this carbon hydrogen bond, but this carbon is triply bonded, means it is sp hybridized, and it is found only in acetylenic compounds. Then 3000 to 3100 is your doubly bonded carbon hydrogen, means the sp2 hybridized carbon hydrogen bond, and here this is seen in ethene and aromatic compound, that is like benzene and other compounds. So the double bonded carbon hydrogen and single bond carbon hydrogen, this shows the absorption to the lower frequency, that is 2850 to 2950. These are your saturated alkanes, that is your CH4 or C2H6. Here it is CH2 double bond CH2, or it's a aromatic compound, means like your benzene. So here there is a presence of double bond, here is the presence of carbon triple bond, and that is triply bonded carbon hydrogen, here the doubly bonded carbon with hydrogen. So these are the different. Then 2700 to 2900 is the hydrogen atom attached to the carbonyl group, and this situation arises only in aldehydes. And so the aldehydic functional group can be very easily determined, means if the molecule shows the band between 2700 to 2900 reciprocal centimeter, this may indicate the presence of a carbonyl carbon hydrogen bond, means it will indicate the presence of aldehydic functional group. And so here the 2500 to 2900, that is SH thiols, and here we are going to get the weaker, means now here if you just go through the different types of references, you will get three words, that is the sharp, medium and weak. So here the weak bands can be also seen, then the medium to weak or sharp. Sharp means it is prominent, medium means it is not that prominent, means the absorption will be less but it will be seen, and weak means we cannot identify. So these thiols are showing the weak absorption. And then from the range, within the range 2500 to 3600, here we are getting a very broad band due to the presence of the hydrogen oxygen bond in carboxylic group. And so the carboxylic acids shows a very broad band in this range of 2500 to 2600 reciprocal centimeter. And so here these are some of the characteristic values, and these are the different types of functional groups and the types of compounds that we have seen. So here this was your single bond region, that is the single hydrogen bond formed with the different types of hetero atoms, that is your oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon, atoms. And then we can come to the next point and the types of bonds, that is the triple bond region. And so in the broad classification in the last lecture, we have seen that the 4000 to 2500 was your single bond region, then the 2500 to 2000 was your triple bond region. And so here in this triple bond region, that 2240 to 2260 reciprocal centimeter will be due to the carbon nitrogen bond, that is the nitriles, here due to the nitriles, and these nitriles are must be non-conjugated, will be non-conjugated, means there will be no conjugation in this molecule, then and then only you will get the absorption in the range 2200 to 2260, means to a higher frequency. But if there is a conjugation in a molecule with carbon nitrogen bond, the absorption will shift towards the low frequency, that is 2215 to 2240 reciprocal centimeter. These are the nitriles, but these nitriles are conjugated. These nitriles are conjugated. Then the C triple bond CH means this type of alkyne, and here there is this alkyne. So this differs from each other. So this alkyne is your terminal alkyne. Terminal alkyne, and terminal alkynes always shows the absorption to a lower frequency, that is 2100 to 2140 reciprocal centimeter, whereas non-terminal alkyne shows the absorption to a higher frequency, that is 2200 to 2260. So here this is the non-terminal alkyne. So here we have come across the different types of compounds that are going to be seen, or these are the different types of functional groups that can be identified very easily. So in your examination along with the question paper, we are getting this chart. Only the thing is that we must be able to justify our answer and how we can use this chart. Then comes your double bond region. So the molecules which contains the different types of double bonds. So here we are going to see the different types of functionalities, the different types of functional groups, and the different types of compounds that are seen. So here at a very higher frequency, that is 1740 to 1850 reciprocal centimeter, we will get the absorption due to the presence of the double bond in the type of compounds, that is anhydrides. Anhydrides. So the carbonyl group here will show, means we have seen that the characteristics of the some functional groups are shifted either to higher or lower frequency due to the environment of the bond. So here these carbonyl groups are surrounded by the different environment in anhydrides, and so they show the absorption towards a higher frequency because these carbonyl groups are electron withdrawing. So this carbonyl group exerts the electron withdrawing effect on this carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group exerts the electron withdrawing effect on this carbon, and so in this way this shifts the absorption towards a very higher frequency. In acid chlorides, it will show the absorption in the range, that is 1770 to 1850 reciprocal centimeter, means it shows the absorption towards the lower frequency because here only one halogen atom is attached which withdraws the electron density, but the alkyl group is electron donating, and so these are your acyl halides and shows the absorption towards a lower frequency. Then 1730 to 1750 is your ester, that is RC double bond OR dash. So these are the esters. This is the peculiar value in the range of 1750 reciprocal centimeter for esters. Then comes your ketone 1730 to 40. Here both are electron donating groups, but here this is electron donating, and here there is a electron withdrawing effect of the electronegative oxygen. Also, this carbonyl shows the absorption towards a very higher frequency, but here both the groups are electron donating, so this shifts the absorption towards the lower frequency, that is 1740 reciprocal centimeter. Then comes your 1705 to 1720, that is your aldehydes. Aldehydes, here this is the ketone, and the aldehydes shows the absorption towards a lower frequency because there is only one electron donating group and does not hydrogen does not exert any effect, so not neither electron donating or withdrawing, and so 1740 here this is here the aldehydes shows the absorption towards the higher frequency because there is only one electron donating group. But here in ketones, so here this is a different, here this is aldehyde. Aldehyde contains only one electron donating group, whereas ketone contains two electron donating groups, and so the absorption of the carbonyl group in aldehydes is at a higher frequency and that of a ketone is at lower frequency, and because here two electron donating groups are present. Then carboxylic acid 1700 to 1725, that is the carboxylic group. Now we will say that carboxylic acid shows the absorption of the carbonyl group towards a very lower frequency. This is just like your ester only, but here carboxylic acid always exists in a dimeric form, means there is a presence of hydrogen bonding of the carbonyl group with the another molecule, and here you will get OH, C double bond O. So here carboxylic acids always exist in a dimeric form, and that's why the absorption of carbonyl group shifts towards lower frequency. Then 1680 to 1700 are your amides, and so we say that amides are always neutral in nature because the electron donating nitrogen atom shifts the electron density towards the carbonyl, and so the carbonyl group shifts the absorption towards a very lower frequency. Then is your carbon carbon double bond of alkenes, and the carbon carbon double bond of alkene shows the absorption in the region 1620 to 1680. And then the carbon nitrogen double bond, that is imines or imines or oximes are showing such type of bonds of carbon nitrogen double bond, and this shows the absorption towards very lower frequency. Then comes your carbon carbon double bond, and this carbon carbon double bond is the aromatic carbon carbon double bond in a ring system, shows the absorption within the range of 1500 to 1600 reciprocal centimeter, and the 1370 to 1540 is due to the your nitrogen nitro group, is due to the nitro group, and so the nitro group shows the absorption towards a very lower frequency. So in this way we have gone through the different stretching uh, absorptions due to the different stretching vibrations in the functional group region, that is from 4000 to 1300 reciprocal centimeter, which is classified into the single bond region, double bond region, and triple bond region. And what are the different types of functional groups that can be identified in these regions have been seen. And so here in a way you have just seen. So write this chart thoroughly again on a rough paper or in your notebook and get the details. And if you feel any problem regarding the absorption frequencies or the concepts of the IR spectroscopy, you can feel free to call me or ask me the queries whatever you just you are not understood. Thank you very much.